Welcome back to my home cooking channel, Almita's Kitchen. Here I am again. I'm gonna show you another recipe for today. We are going to make a beef stew. The ingredients for our cooking today are carrots, potato, beef, onion, garlic, seasoned with oyster sauce, A1 sauce, and ground black pepper. This is gonna be another simple one pot meal, one pot dish. All right. Unlike the other previous show that it's whoosh. All right, so we gonna start cooking. Gotta lit the fire first. Ta-da! And we are using this, I call it casserole pan. You can also call it Dutch oven because you can use it to shove it in the oven. You're cooking. This pan needs to be hot, and I think it's getting hot. So I have a olive oil here. Pour it in. We're trying to be healthy right now. Olive oil this time instead of vegetable oil. And then we add first our chopped garlic. Stir, stir, stir the garlic for just a minute until the aroma releases. And then next is our cubes beef. I slice it like this. It's like a little chunky. Drop it in. Mixy mix. Make sure all the olive oil is absorbing in to the beef. We're gonna put a little bit of ground pepper, a little bit of salt, just a little, because we're gonna season it really well in a little bit. And then stir it some more. We just want to brown the beef a little bit. Okay. And then after this, we will add like a cup of water. Is that a cup? That's a cup. And we have to let this simmer until the beef is tender. All right. Now we have to cover it and then let that simmer for, I would say, 15 minutes. Already 15 minutes is over. Let's check. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ta-da! So that way you tenderize your beef ahead. Okay, so there's a lot of juicy juice right now. So now we can add our sliced carrots, chunk like this big. This is stew, guys. So this is gonna simmer for a while. And then also our potato, and again I soak these in water because if you don't, they're gonna turn yucky brown. Add it with the carrots. Okay, and then we add our oyster sauce. That's in, and then we also add our A1 sauce. Put it in, and then more of the ground black pepper. Let's mix it. Ay, hot. I need my mitten. You mix it just like that. Okay, do that, and then we put the onion, lots of onion on top, I say, like that, just like that. And then we cover it back and let this simmer for 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. It depends on how soft you want everything in here, how tender the meat is. So for me, I would say 25 to 30 minutes. I think medium high. We'll start for that and then adjust it later. Okay? It's not gonna pop. This is not the pork belly. Lechon kawali. That was fun. Guys, did you ever know somebody making a beef stew using oyster sauce and A1 sauce together for seasoning to flavor the dish? This is actually, I came up of how to make beef stew. I'm like, what to use for seasoning? Has to be salty and a little sour. It's kind of like a barbecue, but it's not sweet. So I was like, let me use A1 sauce and oyster sauce. Maybe that will, work. And it did. So that's what I keep doing every time I make I cook this dish. You're watching and you're thinking, how is that gonna taste? Oyster sauce and A1 sauce. But try it. I mean, you'll be surprised, All right, let's check let's check our beef stew how it's doing. Holy moly! So that's what it looked like. It is simmering. This is only probably about 15 minutes simmering. So we have more minutes to go. You want everything soft, vegetable, the carrots, the potato, and especially the beef. You want the beef tender, and also we want the sauce to thicken a little bit. Okay guys, but right now let me just taste it, make sure everything tastes right. Goody. Okay, so we gonna have to cover it back and let it simmer for another hot, another 15 minutes. Okay, already. Let's check our beef stew. Oh boy, look at this. Wowie. So this is what it looked like after simmering for more than 30 minutes. Yeah guys. Alright. See, it reduced the sauce and it also thicken a little bit, and that's what you want. Okay, and all the ingredients here is soft, the carrots, the potato, and the beef. See, easily you can put your fork in it. So, here you go guys. Luto na. Mangaon na ta. So, mauni ang beef stew. Okay? Beef stew ni Almita. Alright guys, so this is our finished product. Our beef stew is done. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel please, and I will show you more of my home cooking. Okay, and enjoy. Make sure you try it at home, and I will see you next time. Bye. Do a little dance.